The Vietnam Veterans Memorial in Washington, D.C. is located on the National Mall and is a stop on our National Mall and all-in-one walking tours. It lists over 58,000 names of those men and women who were killed or missing in action from 1956 to 1975, plus later editions of those who died as a result of injuries received while serving. In order to honor their memory, many look for the name of someone in particular on the wall. Since the names are in chronological order, it can be difficult, but there are a few ways to find a name. At either end of the memorial are stands with books inside. These list the names in alphabetical order, so it's easier to find. If it is a common name, it is helpful to know a middle initial, hometown, or rank. Once you find the name, follow the line, and you'll see two key pieces of information, a panel number and a line number. The names start and end in the center of the memorial, with panels radiating out from one upwards. If you're looking at the memorial, the west panels are on the left, and the east panels are on the right. On the glass cover over the books, you'll see the panel layout to get a better idea of where a particular panel is. Sometimes the line at the books is long, or unfortunately a page is missing. You can also look up the names online. This is our preferred way to do it, because you can get a lot more information. There are two websites. If you know the full name, you can visit www.vvmf.org and find the Wall of Faces under the Discover the Names tab. This page will show you a photo of the person, as well as any items that may have been left at the wall for them. Underneath the name, you'll see the panel and the line number. If you aren't sure of the name, or you want to find someone from your hometown or on a particular date, www.virtualwall.org allows you to look for persons by name, date, hometown, rank, etc. Here too, you'll find information about them and possibly a photo. Once you have the panel number and line number, a name should be easy to find. Look for the W for Western and E for Eastern on the panels. Once you find the correct panel, the lines start from the top. If the number is large, look for the small round dots between each panel. These count every 10th line. If a name is too high for you to reach, or you want to take a rubbing but need a piece of paper and a pencil, look for a volunteer in yellow baseball cap. It can be a moving and solemn moment when you find the name you're looking for, and this is a beautiful way to remember them. For more information for your visit to Washington, D.C., visit our website at www.dcbyfoot.com.